Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today I am doing a product review. Yes, it's me again, unboxing something else. So if you're interested in seeing what it is, you know what to do, stick around. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, feel free to click that subscribe button down below and a bell will appear. Click that bell and you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, you know you have my heart. Thank you for coming back and watching another video. Now, the title to this video is My Grove Collaborative Unboxing. Yes. I got my September order in, and I wanted to share with you guys what I purchased this month. Now, if you're not familiar with Grove Collaborative, I have a link for them down below. I am an influencer for Grove Collaborative. So this month, what I got was, I didn't get very much because I'm trying to keep my stock up. And keeping my stock up is important to me to keep my stockpile going. Okay, so I got everything out the box. And whoever is doing these boxes now are writing you little messages on the top. And I think that's really nice. It's making it very personal. Now, what I purchased this month is I got two of the garbage disposal scent bags. I like the smell of these. They keep your garbage disposal clean and fresh. It keeps that stink from coming up there's garbage disposal. And you know sometimes that thing has an odor and you do not want to keep it smelling like that. Then I picked up two more of their washing powder pods from the Method. I got the what's this? It's the ginger mango. Now I got two bags last month and I ordered two more. So my stock is full of my Grove Collaborative product. So this is a small order this month, guys, just these two things. So you know what to do. If you like my content, you know what to do, guys. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my video. And also follow me on my social media accounts. They'll be listed here on the screen, as well as down below in the description box. And as always, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, saying thank you for watching, and you guys be blessed.